So, as per our last video, our queen has arrived.
Yes, we actually weren't expecting her until tomorrow. We've been out and about all day. I have to get suited up and visit the bees because I want to get this queen in there ASAP. So it's a box. They've punched lots of holes in the box. That's a good thing.
So that Queenie can be breathing.
Yes.
Be breathing.
Oh.
Polystyrene puffs.
Yes.
Queenie will be under these. Hey,
Oh, careful, careful. Look what we got. So, along with a entourage, I can see Queenie in there. Yes. So, yep, I can see Queenie in there. I'm back here at the Leighton Doman Memorial Hive. It's an ongoing joke as to why it's named that. I know, John, I need to redo the lettering on there, but I'll get there, honest. I assure you nobody died. Leighton Doman is alive and well. This little thingy here comes with what's called the queen candy in there. There's a little entranceway there. I have to get that off. These guys eat their way there. The bees in the hive eat their way that away, by which time they will have accepted their new monarch. All going well. We still have bees in the hive there, albeit their numbers are dwindling without a reigning monarch. So, oh, there we go. That's coming out pretty easy with use of the hive tool. There we go. So that's open now. So I'm going to pop that in the hive. Okay, so ideally you meant to put this on a frame with brood, but there is next to no brood there at the moment, so may the force be with us all. Hopefully, yeah, there's still a bit of a cluster of bees in there. Alright, so there's Queenie tucked in. Fingers crossed she comes out of there in the next day or so and gets busy laying for us, so yeah, keep you updated. No. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, no way. The bees in here have died. I don't believe it. Ah. Gutted. I wonder what went wrong. Yeah, none of them made it out of here. Ah. And obviously, any bees that were left in here have scarpered with no queen. Oh, that's devastating. I haven't heard of that happening before. I wonder if it was something to do with temperature or what. I mean, it's... yeah. I opened that bit up like I was meant to. Oh, sorry bees. But I was quite confident because they'd obviously, you know, you could see they'd started eating through it. And I thought the bees left in the hive would have been eaten at the other end. Damn. Okay, so we have lost the hive. Well, I said I'd get back to you one way or another. Unfortunately, kicking myself, but you live and learn. I should have gone and checked back on them 1 or 2 days after I put them in and just made sure they'd made their way out. I just assumed it was all going to be good. I've never heard of that happening before, so I will, yeah, I'll have to ask around. I'll have to ask around some of the local beekeepers and just see if they've heard of them not coming out, not eating their way out before. That's really weird, but pretty gutted. We're not going to end our beekeeping journey though. We'll keep the hive out here in case we catch a swarm. When it comes to this year, we haven't really got funds available to buy another nuke or anything, so we'll probably leave it until next season at this stage. So yeah, I'll just have to jump on the website and record it to the powers that be that we no longer have hives here. But as I say, we will be carrying on. I will post another video when we get our next nuke. Stay tuned. Happy beekeeping, hopefully happier than mine at the moment. It could be worse. I could have, hey, it could have been worse. I could have lost them to AFB, you know, and then I would have had to have burnt the hive and everything. So we could catch a swarm. That's how we got our first lot of bees in the first place. So we'll just have to see how we go. So yes, this is me signing off the bee videos for now. As I say, stay tuned, and yeah, until next time, this is me kicking myself.